Good afternoon, student. This is lecture number second of chapter number 6. Today we are going to start the exercise 6b. I had already told you about that. The chapter is totally based on your practice. Okay, how much question you have practiced, that will be the result of your of this chapter. Okay, so let us start with the 6b. We have now the fractional indices and power of 0. That is very simple actually. The power of actually you had already know about that. If any number have the power 0, that means the answer is 1. So this is a totally based on this. Okay, so let us start with the question number first. Okay, the first question is 5 to the power 0. Question number first part, the question is 5 to the power 0. Okay, power 0 to any number is always 1, either it is negative or positive. This thing you have to always remember. Okay, either it is minus 2 to the power 0 or 5 to the power 0 or 2 by 3 to the power 0. Okay, x to the power 0, these are always equal to 1. Okay, power 0 to any number or any variables also, so that is equal to 1. So now we are going to discuss with the second part. 2 to the power minus 3 means we have 1 upon 2 to the power 3. Can you write like this? Because 2 to the power minus 3 डिनोमिनेटर में, इसको अगर न्यूमरेटर में लिखेंगे तो ये हमारे पास 2 to the power minus 3 हो जाएगा. I think we had already discussed this in the previous lecture. Okay, so this is 1 upon 8. 2 to the power 3 is 8. Now here we have power is minus 2. Okay, power is minus 2. So first of all we have to take it as power plus 2. So can you write like this? Okay, 1 upon minus 2 the power 2. Okay, so अगर हम इसको ऊपर लिखेंगे तो minus to the power minus to the power minus 2 हो जाएगा. Now we have 1 upon power even and negative number. So answer is always positive because minus 2 into minus 2. So answer is 4. So our answer is 1 by 4. Now in seventh part we have minus 1 by 2 to the power this. Okay, this is somehow important. Okay, now we have to write like this: 1 upon 2 to the power 2, like this. Yes or no? Okay, again minus 2 is split to this. Now we have 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 2, and 2 times minus means positive, so answer is 1 upon 4. But the denominator answer is 1 by 4, so just split it to numerator, and this is 4 into 1, that is 4 answer. Okay, this is minus 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 2, so answer is minus cancel with this, so answer is 1 upon 4. Now I think this is 10th part. Okay, 9th part actually. So x to the power 0, x to the power 0 is 1, so 3x to the power 0 means 3 into 1 minus 1 upon 3 into 1 plus 1. Okay, so 3 minus 1, that is 2, and 3 plus 1, that is 4, so answer is 1 upon 2. So these are the very simple question. Just you have to focus on your basics. Okay, just on multiplication, like how we have to use the laws of exponents, like this. These are the very important. Okay, how we have to how we have to change the negative power into positive or positive into negative with the use of numerator and denominator concept. Okay, now we are going to question number second. 4 to the power half means under root 4. Now student, we have one more another concept, that is cube root and square root. Okay, question number 2 is totally based on that. So we are going to practice question so that we have more concept, clear concept about this type of question. Okay, this is 4 to the power half. Okay, and 4 to the power half, you are familiar with 4 to the power half like this, under root of 4. We know under root of 4 is 2, but how it is possible that we can write it as 2 square, 4 as 2 square, and 2 to the 2 square to the power half. It means we can cancel out this 2 with this, and we have 2 to the power 1, and that is 2. So both answer are same. So by root concept we are know about that under root 4 is 4, under root 4 equal to 2, and by using this concept or concept of exponent, we can split like this first of all, then we have to cancel out, again the answer is 2. Okay, now second part is 8 to the power 1 by 3. This is first question. Second question, 8 to the power 1 by 3. We know 8 is 2 to the power 3. 8 is 2 to the power 3. 2 to the power 3 to the power 1 by 3. So 3 cancel with this. Our answer is again 2 to the power 1, that is 2. Okay. Now we have fourth part. Fourth part is minus 27. Minus 27 to the power 1 by 3. Okay. Minus is out of the bracket. Okay. We can write 27 as 3 to the power 3 and then 1 by 3. 3 cancel with this. So answer is minus 3 to the power 1, that is minus 3. Now sixth part. In sixth part we have 125 to the power minus 2 by 3. 125. We can write 125 as 5 to the power 3. 5 5 is 25 and 25 5 is 125. So 3 cancel with this. We have 5 to the power minus 2 and we can write it as 1 upon 5 to the power 2 because we have to change the negative sign of exponent in positive, so we have to place it in denominator. Okay, that is answer is 1 upon 25 because 5 square is 25. Okay. Okay, now eighth part. You have to just split all the powers, okay, in the form of the given powers, then cancel out, then your answer will come out. Okay, 1 upon 216. If you are more familiar with the number, then these are the very easy concepts actually. Okay, minus 2 to the power 3. You know 1 upon 216. 216 is the cube of 6. So we can write it as 6 cube. 6 cube to the power minus 2 by 3. Okay, now if you have to place it as minus, so we have to change it as 1 upon 6 cube to the power 2 by 3. 2 by 3. Yes or no? 2 by 3. So we have to place 1 upon this. So 2 by 3 means we have to place like 1 upon, okay, 1 to the power 2 by 3. 1 to the power 2 by 3 is always 1. 1 to the power any power is always 1. Now we have 6 to the power 3 to the power 2 by 3. Okay. This is very important question. Okay. क्या करा हमने 1 to the power 2 by 3 because 2 by 3 1 and 6 to the power 3 दोनों की पावर है. ओके, सो हमने क्या करा 1 to the power 2 by 3 को 1 ही लिखेंगे and 6 to the power 3 की पावर 2 by 3. Now we have to cancel out this. Okay, now the remaining term is 1 upon 6 to the power 2, that is 36. So 36 reverse कर दो रेसिप्रोकल. Okay, so that is answer is 36. Now ninth part. Ninth part, minus of minus 27 to the power minus 4 by 3. Okay, first of all change the negative sign of the power. Okay, that will be easier. Okay, अगर आप इसको चेंज कर लेंगे तो बहुत आसान हो जाएगा क्वेश्चन. सो 1 अपॉन minus 27 to the power 4 by 3. Now we have to change 27 as power of 3 to the power 3 to the power 4 by 3. Okay, 27 as power of 3 by 3. Cancel this power with this. Minus number यानी कि negative number to the power even number. So answer is always positive, but this negative sign is remaining here. So we have 3 to the power 4. 3 to the power 4 is 81. So answer is 1 upon 81. Minus 1 upon 81. Now the 11th part we have 0.0625. I think yes, 11th part. 0.0625 to the power 3 by 4. 3 by 4. 3 by 4, it means we have to change this number in the form of the power, okay, in the form of the number which have power 4. Okay, just think about this, that 5 into 5 into 5 into 5, 5 5 are 25, 25 into 5 125, and 125 into 5, that is 625. It means we have to split out this number as 5 to the power 4, 5 to the power 4, but 0 point, because we have 4 decimal point, so we can write it as like this. Yes or no? 0.5 to the power 4, so we have 0.5, 0.5, 0.5 and 0.5. So answer is 625, but we have decimal also, so like this, 0.0625. Cancel 0.5 to the power cube, so we have 5 5 are 25, and 25 into 5 125, that is 125, 0.125. Okay, so answer is this. Okay, so these are the question for your homework, and you have to send the answer of this question to me. Okay, if you have any problem regarding this question, so text me and I will send you answer if you have any problem. Okay, I will send answer to those students who send me the actually I want the practice from your side, so I will send answer to only those students who practice this question. Okay, and send me first your answer, then I will give you the solution of this. Okay, so thank you so much. We will discuss the next exercise in next lecture.